right, 150 up the middle, 1 left, 60. Flat 1 left again, line, stay middle over bumps, 400. 3 right cut into left over crest, 60. Slippy, 2 left, 250 over bumps. Care, 6 left.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200. Absolute right over crest jump, 60. Tight 2 left over crest jump, 60. Line for 3 right carry into absolute left over crest jump. 3 right carry for absolute. Go on.
Sorry, I said something.
80 absolute 1 left and absolute 1 absolute right. And max 3 left in. It is max, don't cut, and absolute 1 right. 84 left long glassy, 4 left long glassy.
I saw the young fella there.
Right, 100. Absolute 2 left over crest bump, keep out, 150. Crest into tight 2 left. Crest into tight 2, 4 right, sorry. Sudden tight 4 right, 60. Absolute 2 right over bump, 80. Absolute 1 left. Don't cut, 40. Care, 2 left over crest jump. Care now, 2 left over crest jump. And care, and long 3 left, tightens hard over very bad bump back. Very hard bad bump, 60, 5 right, 40, very tight 3 left, glassy don't cut, 150, care, crest and immediate 5 right opens, 5 right plus opens, crest, immediate 5 right plus opens, and absolute 1 left, and absolute left into absolute crest jump, keep in, and care 2 right tight, max, 2 right tight, max, 450.
Yeah.
Line into max 2 left, don't cut, 150. Max 2 left, don't cut, 150. Care, 4 right tightens over Bertie's Bridge, tightens hard. 100. Absolute left over crest jump, 150. Care, 4 right. Care, 4 right. 80. Left into care, 4 right. 60 brake for 5 left, tightens over crest. 60 brake, tightens over crest. 40. Absolute 2 left, 80, 4 right, 80, 4 right, 40 sudden 5 left, glassy, and don't cut 6 right plus, don't cut 6 right plus, and absolute 2 right, and line for 1 left over crest, tightens into sudden long 5 left, tightens hard at sign, keeps going, arch into 5 right plus, 60, 6 left plus, 6 left plus, and 2 right in, 40 sudden 6 left. And 6 right plus, tight opens and tightens, do not cut. 40, absolute 1 left and absolute left over crest, 60, sudden 6 left plus, in. 60, 6 left plus, in. 80, 4 right plus over crest, and absolute 3 right. Absolute 3 right, 150. Absolute crest, 60, absolute 2 left in over crest. 150, absolute 2 left in over crest, absolute, man. And crest slowing into 2 left, 60 sudden 6 left, and long 6 right, opens, go, and left into absolute 2 right, 80, line for 5 left, stay mid long here, 5 left, and 6 right, don't cut, and 6 left, don't cut into long 6 right, don't cut, into hairpin left, don't cut, 60 long 6 right, tightens hard and late, and it keeps going, tightens hard. 60 over crest, max 5 left plus, don't cut, and 5 right, don't cut. And absolute 3 right, 40 left over bridge into turn square right, glassy. 60 up the middle, 2 right, 60 line for sudden 5 left plus, and line 5 right plus. And line 5 left push into max 3 right, line for 5 left plus, tightens hard, and max 4 right, go, keep in. 60 line 4 left over crest and sudden 6 right, line 4 left over crest, sudden 6 right, into absolute 4 left, and 4 right through bridge, don't cut, absolute 3 left, and tight 4 right long, glassy-ish, 40, 5 right long in, and absolute 4 left opens long, it is absolute, and it keeps going, 60, 5 left in, 60, long 5 left, tightens hard and late, and it keeps going. Stay into 6 right, tightens hard and late, into 6 right. 80, bit of care for 3 left tight, do not cut, tightens over crest, carry. 60, 5 right plus, Armco. And absolute 3 left. And 3 left over crest, and 40 sudden long 4 right, tightens hard and keeps going. Tightens hard. 60, line for long 3 right into immediate hairpin left. Long 3 right into immediate hairpin left. And absolute 4 right. Absolute 2 left. 130 over crest. Absolute right over crest into absolute 1 left. Absolute left over crest, jump 40. Absolute right over crest, 40 back for 4 left over crest at rock. 40, care, 5 right tightens, slippy. 44 right, care tightens, slippy. And absolute 3 left. 60 over bumps, 3 left, glassy, keep in, into 4 right, go. 4 right, go on. Absolute 1 left, absolute 1 right, 100. Absolute 2 left, don't cut, glassy. 40, absolute 3 right, 3 right, 40, care, very glassy, 3 left, care, don't cut it. And 2 right, tightens into tight 3 right at pole. Tightens into tight 3 right at pole. Absolute 1 left, 100, absolute 1 right. And 3 left, 480, 60, into 5 left, you'll see it. 5 left, you'll see it. And max 5 right opens, 100. Absolute 1 right over crest. And absolute 2 right, keep in, 250. Grippy braking chicane. And long 4 right opens for 100, don't cut, into long 3 left max, over bumps and absolute 2 right, and absolute 3 left and max 3 right long grippy-ish. And 1 left in crest into sudden tight 3 left, carry, crest sudden tight 3 left, carry, into absolute 3 right in, and 1 left 64 right tight, 1 left 60 4 right tight, carry. 60, absolute 3 left, in opens, 100 up mid, and long 3 left carries into 3 right. Long 3 left carry into 3 right. 60, absolute 2 left, and line for long 3 right keeps going and tightens 60 into 5 left. Absolute 3 right keeps going and tightens a bit. 60, 5 left. 40, tight 4 right, and 5 right, tight 4 left and 5 right. And absolute 1 left and max 3 right in, 130. Max 3 right in, 130. 6 left, glassy, in, turn. Don't cut it. 40, left over crest into sudden tight, 6 left plus, glassy-ish. 6 left plus. And absolute 2 right over crest, 60, 5 right, tightens hard into 6 right. Remember it, tightens hard into a 6 right. And absolute 4 left in. 40, 3 right, 100 into chicane. Chicane. And right and line for 4 left, tightens hard and late into long 5 left in. And absolute 1 right and 3 right long, 40. Absolute 2 left in. Line 80, 5 left plus. Line 80, 5 left plus. 60. 6 right, 6 right, tightens. 40, absolute 3 right, 130, 3 left, tightens early into 5 left at chevron. 3 left, tightens early into 5 left at chevron, and it opens, go. Absolute 2 right, 100, 5 right in. 2 right, 100, 5 right in, and absolute 1 left in, 100. Long 3 left keeps going, 40, 5 right. Long 3 left keeps going, 40, 5 right. And absolute 1 left in, 60, absolute crest, bridge, and 3 right carry. 60, bridge, 3 right carry. 60, tight 3 left, opens, and line for 4 right into 4 left, opens max. 80, 4 left. And absolute 1 left over finish.
Right, Fionn?
Yeah.